Hello everyone and welcome to Academically Med Prep channel. In this particular channel, you get all the recent updates about the government jobs and today we're going to talk about the dental officer jobs. स्वागत है आपका अकेडमिकली मेड प्रेप में और आपको यहाँ पे इस चैनल में सारे जॉब वैकेंसीज चाहे वो मेडिकल ऑफिसर की हो, डेंटल ऑफिसर की हो या कोई भी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है वहाँ हम आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आते हैं. So I am Dr. Sonal, I am a dentist myself and आज हम बात करेंगे the new job vacancy which has come from Tripura Public Service Commission Agartala. So guys, Tripura Public Service Commission Agartala की ये vacancy है. अब ना the first confusion जो होती है सबको कि क्या ये सिर्फ त्रिपुरा के स्टेट वाले लोग ही दे सकते हैं? Are only the Tripura state people applicable for this particular post? No. All of you are applicable. It is an all India post, guys. It is an all India post. Please remember, it is an all India post. So online applications are invited from bona fide citizen of India for the recruitment of medical officer dental. So they're talking about the dental officers. It is a grade 4 TDS group A gazetted job है ये with a revised pay band of around 39,000 with grade pay of 5400. So it's a total vacancy. It's not contractual. It's a permanent job. It's a government job as a dental officer. अब बात करेंगे कि इसमें कितनी कितनी vacancies आई हैं. So as you all can see, there are 5 vacancies in the general unreserved category, including 2 posts reserved for women. तो जो महिला डेंटिस्ट हैं, जो विमेन डेंटिस्ट हैं, फॉर यू ऑल 2 posts are reserved and 1 for ex-servicemen, and for ST there is 1 particular post. So there is total 6 post vacancy is there. What are the qualifications? What is the eligibility? You have to be a registered dentist, a recognized dental qualification according to the Dentist Act. If you are a postgraduate, then definitely it's a boon for you. And if you know Bengali, तो प्रेफरेबल है, जरूरी नहीं है. इफ यू आर अ BDS ग्रेजुएट एंड अ रजिस्टर्ड डेंटिस्ट, you are applicable for this particular application. But yes, if you know Bengali and if you are a recognized postgraduate degree holder, it's even better for you. Now, what is the age limit, guys? Up to 10th October 2025, your age should not exceed beyond 40 years. 40 साल से ज़्यादा आपकी एज नहीं होनी चाहिए. Upper age limit is relaxable. So, जो SC, ST या physically handicapped candidates हैं, उनके लिए 5 years का और age relaxation मिला है. यानी कि if you are 45 years of age, as per 10th October 2025, you can apply for this post. For the general category people, it's 40 years. Okay, so you have to remember कि इसके eligibility क्या है. Now moving on to the last date of submission, the online application is live from 15 September and you can apply till 10th of October. The last date of submission is 10th of October up to 5:30 PM. Now let's talk about कि इसकी selection process क्या है. What is the selection process? So the total marks is 100 marks. Out of 100 marks, 85 marks is given for your MCQ examination. So for the written examination, you have 85 marks and for the interview and Viva process, you have 15 marks. तो interview के लिए 15 नंबर मिलेंगे आपको, written exam के लिए 85 marks. What is the syllabus of the written exam? We'll talk about that. Okay, so this is one important so now the syllabus is given from Health and Family Welfare Department. A number of vacancies, as you all can see, 1, 2, 3. Number of candidates to be called for personality test category wise is 5, 8, 3. So you finish up with the written exam, then you move on to the Viva, and after that a personality test also has to be given by you, for which you will be graded for 15 marks. तो 15 नंबर आपके personality test के भी होंगे. And final selection will be made in order of merit obtained by written exam and adding the marks obtained in interview या personality test. So interview, Viva, personality test सबको मिला के 15 नंबर, written exam की 85 marks. उसके बेसिस पे आपको अपॉइंट किया जाएगा. लिंक फॉर द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन इज अवेलेबल ऑन द कमीशंस वेबसाइट. तो आप त्रिपुरा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की वेबसाइट पे जाओ, वहां पे 15 तारीख से आपका फॉर्म रिलीज हो चुका है. टिल 10th यू हैव टू give and you also get one time profile registration OTPR जो आपको सेव करके रखना है. मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशंस प्लीज अवॉइड करें, एक बार में एक इंसान ही अप्लाई कर सकता है. So all the detailed notification is given to you on the website. And what is the cost of the application? So for group A gazetted post, for general category 400 की फीस है and if you are a reserved candidate then you have to pay 350 rupees. So it's very cheap. It's not very costly कि आप उसमें वो नहीं कर सकते हो. They have also written कि आपको एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में क्या क्या चीजें लेके जानी चाहिए. एग्जामिनेशन का डेट उन्होंने नहीं दिया है, बट हाँ, जैकेट, कोट, पुलोवर, दिस टाइप ऑफ गारमेंट्स विल नॉट बी अलाउड ताकि चीटिंग ना हो. Now let's come to the syllabus for direct recruitment, and it is a direct recruitment. Direct recruitment है, बीच में कोई भी बिचौलिया या बीच में कोई भी चीजें नहीं आएंगी इसमें. So for the written exam, part A में you will be having general knowledge and current affairs. 10% of the questions will be from general knowledge and current affairs, and in part B you will get questions from basic sciences 20% and dental specialty 70%. So 90% of the total questions में क्या क्या है, GK and current affairs में 10%, 20% for basic sciences, and remaining 70% say you will get dental specialty questions. Now what is the syllabus? Come down, let's talk about this. Part A, as I mentioned, 8.5 marks for general knowledge and current affairs. Part B, basic sciences. So basic sciences subject is 76.5, so you get 85 total marks. GK और current affairs में क्या क्या सी चीजें आएंगी? Number of questions 10%, 8.5 से 9 क्वेश्चन आएंगे आपके जनरल नॉलेज एंड करंट अफेयर से. पार्ट बी बेसिक साइंसेस से 17 questions. Okay, so you will get questions from all the years of dentistry. As you all can see, we'll start with anatomy. So you'll get questions from anatomy, human physiology, dental anatomy, GP, general pathology and microbiology, pharmacology, medicine, surgery, and dental specialty subject meant 70%. And then dental material is also there. Okay, so first, second, third year, whatever you have studied will come. Final year will have the maximum weightage, which is 70%, that is 59 questions will come from endo, perio, prostho, OS, ortho, pedo, and other your community, operative and all those subjects. Okay, so as you all can see, from oral path you'll get 5 questions, OMR 5, pedo preventive 5, ortho 4, perio 5, prostho 5, conzo 10, OS you will get 10 questions, and public health dentistry you will have 5 questions. So this is the entire detailed notification for Tripura State Public Service Commission. Just to sum up all, you have so many vacancies for dental officer. Application start date 15 September, application end date 10 October. Your application fee is 400 for general category, 350 for SC/ST category. Examination will be held in 2 parts, written exam and your interview or personality test. Written exam will have 10% current affairs and GK question, basic sciences 20% and 70% from your dental knowledge. So please go and apply, and you can take a government job as a dental officer in Tripura from anywhere in India. Thank you.